Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best bracelet board is probably one of the most essential tools for any jewelry maker or hobbyist looking to create perfectly sized and beautifully presented bracelets, ensuring that every piece you craft fits just right and looks professional, saving you time and frustration while elevating your handmade creations to a new level of quality and appeal. Number 5. The Beadsmith Bead Board with Cover. Unleash your creativity with this essential tool for jewelry making. It provides a stable and organized surface to plan your unique creations. The included cover protects your ongoing projects, allowing you to store them safely without disturbing your design. Everything stays exactly where you left it. Featuring 3 U-shaped channels, this board makes crafting intricate multi-strand bracelets and necklaces a breeze. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. Integrated measurements in both inches and centimeters help you create perfectly sized pieces every time. Planning your designs has never been simpler. The soft, flocked surface prevents beads and components from scattering. Your findings and beads will stay put, allowing you to focus on your design. 6 recessed compartments offer convenient storage for beads, findings, needles, and other small accessories. Keep everything you need within easy reach. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this board is perfect for laying out and visualizing your jewelry designs before you commit. Experiment and change your mind effortlessly. What we like. This board comes with a removable cover, perfect for protecting your work in progress. Its U-shaped channels are ideal for intricate multi-strand designs. If you're looking to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces and want to keep your design safe between sessions, this is the board for you. What people say. Having a see-through removable cover is a simple yet fantastic way to keep your in-progress projects neat, organized, visible, and portable without losing any of loose beads in open bins or pattern of loose unstrung beads in U-shaped channels. The size and storage capacity is great, doesn't take up a lot of space, yet can make many different size projects with it. The compartments allow you to keep your beads organized and all on one place. Number 4. Hobbyworker Bead Board Jewelry Making Kit. Introducing the Hobbyworker Bead Board Jewelry Making Kit, your complete solution for creating beautiful jewelry. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. Our specially designed bead board features a flocked surface to keep beads in place and clear scale lines for precise measurements. With multiple grooves and channels, you can experiment with various designs simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Craft with confidence using our high-quality crystal elastic cord. It's strong, stretchy, and durable, ensuring your creations last. The convenient buckle keeps it secure when not in use. This rust-resistant stainless steel bead scoop is designed for precision. Its long, narrow shape is perfect for handling small beads, making the design process smooth and efficient. This kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Inspire creativity in friends and family by helping them craft unique bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. It's the perfect way to make jewelry making easy and fun. With 20 years of experience, Hobbyworker is a trusted supplier of jewelry making tools and materials, sold in over 123 countries. We are dedicated to providing excellent products and customer support. What we like. This option is a fantastic all-in-one jewelry making kit, complete with elastic cord, a bead scoop, and a needle. The multiple grooves allow for flexible design adjustments without restringing. If you're a beginner or someone who appreciates having all necessary tools readily available for a convenient and time-saving design process, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The size is correct and quality is good. This tool is most needed if you make jewelry like I do and fits well on top of my small, round table. It allows you great storage while working on several projects at the same time. I like that it has different sizes circles, and the straight grooves on the bottom. It all helps so you can get the size right. Number 3. Tegg Bracelet Board Jewelry Organizer Tray. Introducing the Tegg Bracelet Board, your new essential for creating stunning jewelry. Its thoughtful design makes crafting a... The flocked gray surface is designed to reduce eye strain, allowing you to focus on your intricate designs for longer periods. With 4 distinct compartments and straight line battens, you can easily sort beads and lay out 4 different bracelet sizes. It's perfect for better bead organization. This organizer is perfect for anyone passionate about jewelry making, DIY craft projects, or simply enjoying the art of beading. It's a must-have for craft enthusiasts. Measuring 19 by 20 by 1.6 centimeters externally, it offers ample space without being cumbersome. The included circle sizes range from 15 centimeters to 18 centimeters, accommodating various projects. This single beading jewelry organizer tray provides a practical and elegant solution for all your jewelry design needs. Get ready to elevate your creations. What we like. This board offers the ability to design up to 4 bracelet sizes at once, thanks to its straight-line battens and storage compartments. The flocked surface is designed to minimize eye strain during long crafting sessions. If you're a crafter who likes to plan multiple bracelet sizes simultaneously or needs a comfortable design surface, this organizer tray is a great fit. What people say. Works very well. I use this to measure my bracelet sizes and the measurements are pretty accurate. Very durable and easy to use. A bracelet beading board is necessary for the bracelet design. The sizing was good. Number 2. MARRTEUM beading boards for jewelry making. Introducing our premium beading boards, designed to make your DIY jewelry projects a breeze. This set includes 2 essential boards for creating stunning necklaces and bracelets. The necklace board measures 32 by 24 centimeters, while the bracelet board is 35 by 26 centimeters. These generous sizes provide ample space for intricate designs. Crafted from high-quality plastic and soft flocked fabric, these boards offer a smooth, dirt-resistant surface. They gently protect your beads while you work. Featuring convenient string slots and clear scale marks, these tools help you position beads accurately and measure lengths with ease. Achieve perfect symmetry and sizing every time. Ideal for necklaces, bracelets, and various DIY craft projects, these trays simplify the process of aligning, arranging, and stringing beads. Unleash your creativity with confidence. These practical design trays are essential for any jewelry maker. They streamline the beading process, allowing you to focus on bringing your unique visions to life. What we like. You get 2 beading boards in this package, offering great value and ample space for your projects. The string slots and scale marks help with precise bead placement and length measurement. If you often work on multiple jewelry pieces or need a durable, easy-to-clean surface for designing necklaces and bracelets, this set is a practical option. What people say. These 2 boards have helped me create many pieces. The boards are lightweight and will be easy to transport. There are a lot of measurements and features that are helpful in jewelry making. I use them to hold my beads in the pattern. Plus, they help you ensure your sizing is correct. Number 1. Plastic bracelet sizing tool. Tired of guessing your bracelet size? This handy tool ensures a perfect fit every time. Easily measure your wrist for bracelets and bangles. Achieve the ideal bracelet size with this simple measuring tool. It's designed for accuracy, making jewelry shopping a breeze. No more ill-fitting jewelry. This tool helps you determine the correct size for bracelets and bangles quickly and effortlessly. Crafted from durable plastic, this lightweight tool is easy to use and store. It's your go-to accessory for precise jewelry measurements. Whether you're buying or making bracelets or bangles, this tool provides accurate measurements from 15 to 25 centimeters. Get the perfect size for any wrist. What we like. This is a specialized tool focused on accurately measuring wrist sizes for bracelets and bangles, ranging from 15 to 25 centimeters. It's made of durable plastic for repeated use. If your primary need is to quickly and accurately determine the correct bracelet or bangle size for yourself or others, this simple yet effective measuring tool is what you should consider. What people say. The bracelet is as advertised, including, easy to use. Great item for measuring bracelet size. It is better than having to measure with something else like yard, etc. Functional y practica. Muy recomendada. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.